Do you know munching late at night or having high calories in the evening have several negative health consequences? 90% of the individuals order food in a jiffy or usually have irregular or healthy meals in order to satiate hunger. So here today we are going to discuss about healthy and quick recipes that will not only keep you satisfied but also keep you away from cravings for longer duration. If you are watching this video for the first time, do subscribe to our channel in order to get healthy lifestyle related tips and tricks. According to various researches, it has been observed that having higher calories at night increases the chances of headache, stomachache, and also diarrhea. So not only physically but emotionally as well, these kind of food affects the body. Not only this, these kind of foods also associated with higher body fat percent and also high BMI. On the contrary, including healthy meal options not only beneficial in improving the diet quality as well as it helps in our body positively as improves the various cardiac markers which include LDL cholesterol and also improves the total cholesterol and also blood pressure in your body. Major reasons observed for high calorie consumption and late night cravings are usually late night shifts, managing growing kids and household chores all together, or maybe a long running illness in the family, late working hours, or staying alone. So here is a list of ingredients which can help you as a snacking. First is 10 pieces of pistachio which comprises of 40 kilocalorie. A glass of banana shake which provides around 250 kilocalorie is also a fulfilling snack in the evening. Then comes the hummus with vegetable sticks, so which completes around 180 kilocalorie and it is a very good source of fiber and protein as well. Now comes the grilled paneer salad. A cup of green paneer salad with vegetables gives you around 110 kilocalories. Sweet potato and peanut salad is again a good combination of protein and fiber, so which comprises of 160 kilocalorie and completes the requirement of fiber and protein for the day. Again, makhana chaat is another option which comprises of 106 kilocalories and it is good source of various nutrients and fibers as well. Lastly, almond butter with fruit slices can also be taken as a snacks, which is easy to prepare and which overall completes 100 to 110 kilocalories and can be taken as a snack for. A quick tip for all: if you are sleep deprived, melatonin and tryptophan present in these food groups will definitely help you to sleep better and faster. Do let us know if you have any related questions or if you have any suggestions, and also do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more fruitful content, and also hit the bell icon for the regular new video updates. Take care and stay strong till the next time.